Let me emphasize that this empowerment scheme is not a handout, but an investment. An investment in self-reliance, productivity, and long-term economic stability. I urge all beneficiaries to use these resources judiciously, repay when due, and serve as ambassadors of this program by mentoring others. To our youth, I say the future of Borno State is in your hands. This government will continue to create opportunities, but you must match these efforts with discipline, innovation, and a strong work ethic. I also want to assure you that similar organizations in Borno State, inshallah, will receive our support in due course, especially the Kekenape riders.
We are very glad and appreciate because we have nothing to say to our His Excellency Governor of Borno State, Professor Babagana Umara Zulum, for providing us this toolkit and machine. Honestly speaking, this machine it will help us a lot. This before I don't have that machine before, but for now that I'm getting this machine, it will help me to use it for lamination or removing the bubbling of the screen. You know, sometimes we have a separating machine and a dot station. We used to separate the screen and laminate it. So after laminating, we don't have this bubbling machine that will help us to remove the bubble. For the presence of this thing, it will help us a lot. We have nothing to say to our Excellency Governor. In fact, thank you once again.